Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 4 best motorcycle dashcam on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. FreedConn Motorcycle Dashcam. The FreedConn Motorcycle Dashcam is a robust and advanced device designed for motorcyclists, offering high-resolution imaging, superior sensor technology, wide dynamic range, night vision, durability, weather resistance, built-in G-sensor, and cyclic recording. Its camera resolution is 1920 x 1080 pixels, capturing clear, detailed footage. The dashcam is equipped with a Sony CCD imaging sensor and CMOS sensor type, ensuring high-quality images in low-light conditions. It also features night vision, making it suitable for low-light environments. The dashcam is waterproof and anti-fog, making it suitable for all weather conditions. It also features real-time surveillance, time and date display, and a wide dynamic range. It supports microSD TF memory cards and Wi-Fi, and offers OST languages in Chinese and English. The device is powered by a Novatech chipset and built-in battery. Number 3. Kocam Motorcycle Dashcam. The Kocam Motorcycle Dashcam is a top-rated motorcycle accessory that offers comprehensive recording capabilities for riders. It features high-resolution imaging with a 1920 x 1080 resolution, wide dynamic range, WDR, technology, dual lens capability, advanced G-sensor and motion detection, and an integrated GPS tracker. The dashcam is waterproof, suitable for various weather conditions, and supports cyclic recording and electronic image stabilization for smooth video footage. It also supports microSD TF cards with a Class 10 reading speed requirement and a built-in microphone for audio capture. The device's on-screen display, OSD, supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a global audience. The device's durability and reliability are enhanced by the use of supercapacitors, which ensure the device's longevity and reliability in varying temperatures. Overall, the Kocam Motorcycle Dashcam is a reliable and efficient tool for motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 2. Soam Motorcycle Dashcam. The Soam Motorcycle Dashcam is a reliable and feature-packed dashcam designed to enhance your motorcycle riding experience. It features a 3 Sony CCD sensor for high-resolution imaging, advanced video technology with a CMOS sensor, and H.264 video codec, a 3.0-inch display with a 16:9 screen ratio, enhanced image stabilization, and ample memory and storage. The dashcam also offers night vision and wide dynamic range, making it suitable for low-light conditions. Its built-in GPS logger and G-sensor track location, speed, and detects sudden impacts, providing valuable data for insurance claims or accident investigations. The dashcam is waterproof and features anti-vibration capabilities, ensuring reliable performance in harsh weather conditions. Additional features include real-time surveillance, cyclic recording, an integrated microphone, and an LED display. The dashcam's flexible placement options ensure secure mounting, ensuring uninterrupted recording throughout your ride. Number 1. SYS Motorcycle Dashcam. The SYS Motorcycle Dashcam is a high-quality, advanced safety device designed for motorcycle enthusiasts. It offers a 1920 x 1080 resolution camera, dual lens capability, night vision, and a 130 degrees wide viewing angle. The dashcam supports various recording functions, including cycle recording, G-sensor detection, and real-time surveillance. It also features a built-in microphone for audio recording. The dashcam is durable and weather-resistant, with a high capacity of up to 256 GB of external memory via microSD TF cards. It can be mounted in various positions, including the motorcycle handle, head, helmet, or on the rider. The user-friendly interface, with Wi-Fi and microSD TF interfaces, simplifies the process of accessing and sharing footage. The dashcam is waterproof and anti-surge voltage impact resistant, making it suitable for various riding conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.